Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add Instagram account to X. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, click on profile, tap on share profile, and just click on copy link, share profile. Okay, and tap on copy to back, then click on X account and tap on top left profile, click on edit profile and just tap on edit profile and click on bio option and send this URL Instagram, then save to add Instagram account to X account. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.